What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new update that we got on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so we got a new update on the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite right here. I'm pretty sure we probably got this update on the regular A7 as well. So hopefully that is the case. But first and foremost, I'm going to be showing you how to actually find the update. So we're going to go to the settings right here. And we're going to scroll all the way down till it says software update, download, and install. Then we're going to go ahead and click on that. Then after, we're going to click on download and install. And if you guys want to set this to auto download over Wi-Fi, you guys can go ahead and do so. But it says download software updates automatically when connected to Wi-Fi network, so that's great. Let's go ahead and click install. So once we're in here, it says update ready to install. Update will be installed automatically at 7:06 p.m. on July 9th, 2021. Your tablet will restart after the update is installed, and it shows you what's new right here. It says we have overall stability of functions improved. Overall device performance has been improved. The security of device has been improved. A software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability improvements, bug fixes, new and/or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. To get the best from your device, please keep your device up to date and regularly check for software updates. Now, this is a fairly big update, as you guys can see. It's 404.75 megabytes, and this is going to be the May 1st security patch. So you guys will probably get this straight out of the gates when you pick up this device if it's not already updated. It also gives you a little caution right here. It says you won't be able to use your tablet during the update. Some settings may change after the update. And it also says this update shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case. Now, if you guys want to just do that for safety, you can, but honestly, I've never had an issue with it. So all we're going to do is click install now. Now, I believe you can also schedule your updates on this tablet. If you guys don't want to put your tablet down and you guys may be using it for a long period of time, but 404 megabytes is really not that much, so it should only be a few minutes. So we're already at 25% and it's literally only been 30 seconds, so this should be a very quick update. Alright everyone, so we finally updated the tablet. It took about 8 or 9 minutes, so really not too long at all. All you have to do is just let it sit for a second, and you guys should get those new features as far as the updated security and the updated performance as well. And if there's any changes, I'm definitely going to make a video in the next couple days and show you guys what's new. Yeah guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.